In this video, I'm going to show you my 5 top favorite Procreate coloring in pages, how you can import them into Procreate, and where you can download these for free. This cute little snail is a great way to bring some fun and creativity into your Procreate art. Its simple lines and easy to follow design make it perfect for both beginners and experienced Procreate users. The next Procreate coloring page I love is this one of the beach. Its simple beach design is perfect for creating a relaxing and calming scene with Procreate. You can add some blues, greens and yellows to create the beach, and then use lighter tones to represent the sand or shoreline or even the bubbles on the surf. The waves in the background can be colored with different shades of blue to give it a more dynamic look. The next top Procreate coloring page on my list is this ladybird on a flower. This cute ladybird is a great addition to any Procreate project. The flower makes the perfect backdrop for the ladybird, and you can also use different shades of green, yellow or pink to make it look fun or realistic. Number 4 is flowers and bees. This pretty design is perfect for adding some femininity to your Procreate projects. You can use different shades of green, purple or yellow to create the flowers, and add in some yellows or oranges for the bee. Probably the most fun Procreate coloring page out of my top 5 is this donut design. You can add bright and bold colors to create different parts of the donut, and additionally you can add sprinkles or other fun details to make the frosting look even more realistic. Okay, so those are my top 5 coloring in pages for Procreate. They're both beginner friendly and great if you want to test out different techniques and you're a little bit more advanced. So let's have a look at how we can start importing these coloring in pages into Procreate so that we can actually use them. Start off by downloading the coloring in page to your iPad. Once you've done that, open a new canvas in Procreate, select the wrench tool, and then select Insert a Photo. Your gallery will open up and you'll be able to choose the photo or the coloring in page that you wish to import. You'll see it gets imported onto a new layer. Position it as you want. And then what you're going to do is duplicate that layer. You're going to change the blending mode to multiply. This will allow you to color beneath the design without losing the black outlines, and it will allow all your colors to show through. The black outlines then act as a guide. I then like to add a new layer on top of this layer so that I can play around with different brush strokes, different paint brushes, colors, textures, etc. Without affecting my bottom layer. And essentially this means that I am digitally illustrating in a constructive way rather than a destructive way. This is one of the real benefits of working with digital illustration, is the fact that we can work with layers and not lose any of the important bits of our artwork. Okay, so now that you have your coloring in pages in Procreate, let's talk about how to color them digitally. The simplest way to color a shape is to color drop. This literally means taking the color, grabbing it, holding your pen or your finger onto the screen and dragging the color into your desired shape. Another way to color in Procreate, which is very similar to realistic real-life coloring, or rather coloring with traditional materials, is to choose a Procreate brush from the brushes gallery and color in your design manually. It's easy to clean up edges using your eraser tool, and you can very quickly undo or redo anything you don't like or do like. You can also use a combination of color dropping and manual brushwork to add highlights and shadows to your coloring in pages. This is my preferred way of working. Procreate offers a wide variety of tools to help you color and create stunning works of art. You can use various brush tools to create thick or thin lines, the smudge tool to blend colors together, and the eraser tool to correct any mistakes. You can also adjust the opacity of your colors to create different effects and layer them. And one of the great things about digital coloring is that there are no rules. You can color outside the lines, mix and match the colors, and create completely unique pieces of art. This freedom can really help boost your creativity and encourage you to experiment with new techniques. In addition, digital coloring is a great way to unwind and relax. Whether you're taking a break from work or dealing with a stressful situation, a few minutes of working on your digital coloring book can help to clear your mind and ease your anxiety. So, if you're looking for a fun and relaxing activity, digital coloring is definitely worth trying. There you have it. Those are my top 5 colouring in pages for Procreate. You can download these Procreate colouring in pages and more by going to the links in the description below. My name is Dee. Hit that subscribe button now and watch this next video on my top 7 colour palettes for Procreate and why you need them.